Say hello.
Hello, my name's Dan. I'm English. How's it going?
Joe. Hello. This is Joe.
She's nervous.
Nah. This is Jen.
How do you do it? Hello. Yes, really big poofy hair. Really big poofy hair.
Yeah, that's going to look really good. Wow, she's red.
Katie's in it.
And we're at a bonfire. Should we film you? Okay, November. Here's Lauren. Hello, Lauren. Are you having a fabulous time? Yes. Look at it. Jen, be on fire. Be on fire. Oh, Jen's on fire. Oh dear. Oh.
Right. I want to be on fire.
Okay, Nick's on fire. Who else wants to be on fire? Me.
Lauren.
Everyone ends the film. Bye.